Hello, and welcome to my tutorial on what not to do on video. Number 1, follow the rule of thirds. You assume that there are 2 lines here and 2 lines here, and you don't want to be in just one square, like this. Typically in a video, you'll see one person either occupying the entire middle section, sitting just barely on the edge of one of the lines in an interview format, sitting just barely on the other edge, again for interview format, or really just in the middle because that's where you belong. Please don't stand over here. Also, please don't stand over here. Also, please don't be occupying only 2/3 of the frame. You want to make sure that your body is in all 3, no matter how close to the camera you are. I'm kidding, don't be that close. Rule number 2, lighting. As you can see, this room does not have the best lighting for video. This does not help. This also does not help. What does help is what all of those Insta stars have, which is a selfie ring. As you can see on this beautiful tripod, I have a holder for my phone, as well as a selfie ring. As you can see, this handy dandy selfie light does plug in, and if you hit the power button here, you will blind yourself, but you can adjust the settings by turning the light down and up, and switching modes. So we've got a little bit of a blue light, a yellow light, and then a white light, just to spruce things up a bit. This is too bright. If you need sunglasses, turn it down. This might be a little abnormally low, but notice the difference without it. Not good. Now, you may be wondering, do we do hamburger or hot dog? The general rule of thumb is that unless you're planning to post your content on social media platforms that require vertical video, such as Instagram stories, Facebook stories, or even Snapchat, horizontal is usually the way to go. The primary reason is that these are a significant waste of space, and it does tend to look a little less professional. Some people ask, do I look directly into the camera or do I look at myself? How do I know what I look like if I don't look at myself? How do I know if I'm looking at the camera if I'm not looking at the camera? What? Do what makes you comfortable. At the end of the day, your authenticity is most important, and the comfort of your audience is key. This is not that comfortable for me. I feel like I'm talking into an abyss. So I choose to look at myself to pretend like someone is listening. That's okay. The most important thing is that your eyes stay in one place. All in all, video doesn't have to be that hard. Just make sure that you're framing yourself in a reasonable way, make sure that your audio is clear, and make sure that your lighting isn't leaving you in the dark, because then your audience will be too. This has been a video tutorial on what not to do on camera. I hope you'll join me next time for, I don't have another video coming though. Why am I saying that? I don't know. I do not have a place for you to subscribe because I don't usually make these videos, but if you have any requests, reach out to me at www.erinO'Neil.org. I'd love to hear from you. Have a fantastic rest of your day. I mean quarantine. I mean day. Bye.